Hey, guess what, man? I get this beautiful lady been working for us. How many years?
Almost three.
3 years. And well, you go to school yet, right? Huh? When you graduating?
Next year, May.
Okay. She's a cashier? No, she's big whip in the warehouse. Right? And you like working KTA?
I do.
Okay. But hey, who's the best chef?
I think me, but the man in the pan.
Okay, Big Shaka. Come on, give me the man and pan, Shaka. Awesome. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. I'm gonna do something really exciting. You know, we all got leftover spam, leftover Kalua pig, and you know, sometimes they're only enough for one or two. So I'm gonna show you guys how to stretch it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a hash. So the thing you do with a hash, right? Get a wet towel, you get your potato, you poke all these pukas inside, wrap them with the wet towel, put them inside the microwave. Make sure the towel's wet for maybe about 8 minutes, okay? There you go. It comes out just like this, right? Okay, now you peel all the skin off, okay? Smash up the potato. Get the potato all smashed up, just like this. So inside here, I add about a 1/3 pound of Kalua pork, right? Now, inside over here, I crack 1 egg. Okay? Put some garlic powder. Little black pepper. You can do also, you can add in some, just a little bit of brown onions. And I put in some Hawaiian salt, just a little. I add in some panko, 1960 panko. Okay? What the panko we're going to do is we're going to keep all the flavors intact. Then I mix it all up. Kalua pork patties. There you go. Alright? So what I'm doing now, I can make some patties, okay? Put it all. In fact, you can make extra. You can freeze them, baby. Okay? What I did is I just put in a little olive oil, as you can see, hardly any. Okay, I got all my patties all shaped out, ready to fry. I got 6 patties from only about 1/4 to 1/3 pound of Kalua pig. Put this, I can put them on my rice, crack 1 egg over, and I can eat them just like one local moco patty. Okay, you go and check underneath, see how it's going, and it's going real well. What I did, got some bowl of rice, just like this. We put the patties over, and a patty, put it on the rice, just like this. Crack 1 egg and throw them on, and right on. See? Just like that. I'm going to show you how to eat it. But it look good, but let's see how it tastes. Put on some shoyu on the egg. I like my Tabasco. Dump on some Tabasco. Oh. Until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Oh, you know, we shouldn't waste food. So you should always, instead of making leftovers, you make makeovers. Aloha.